morning. It's time for vacation. We're going to Miami, so to visit some friends. So it's gonna be awesome to be away 1 week. So, well, here she is. Okay, let's go to the lounge now, and see you later.
If you feeling, 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 if you feeling.
We just landed in London, and it's time to go to the lounge and wait a couple of hours and then go to Miami. Okay, we have been in the cocktail lounge now, and now it's time to board a plane to Miami. So we will fly premium economy today, and it's gonna be the first time we fly with American Airlines premium economy. So we will see how it will be. So see you soon. After 9 hours, we are finally in Miami. So now it's time to pick up the car and drive to Fort Lauderdale. See you later.